Hi, I'm Alan, and this is ResearchBuddy, my entry for the Perplexity Hackathon 2025 in the Best Deep Research category. It's a lightweight web app designed to help students with academic research using Wikipedia. Let's take a quick tour. First, check out the futuristic UI. You'll see a starry gradient background that animates, perfect for a distraction-free vibe. Click Focus Mode to switch to dark mode. Notice how the text adjusts for readability. Now let's search. Type, "Why do stars shine?" into the text area and hit search. Here's the summary. Hover over the citation for a preview. Click a follow-up question like, "What is the role of fusion?" to explore more.
Artlist.io.
Save your query with Save Query. See it in the saved research list.
Music licensing.
ResearchBuddy
reimagined.
makes research easy and engaging. Check it out at the link in my submission. Thanks for watching.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.